Think a neighbor is stealing your Wi-Fi? Here's exactly how to see every device connected to your router and how to kick off the ones that don't belong right now. Grab your phone, open your settings, and tap on Wi-Fi. Find your connected network and tap the small eye icon right next to it. Scroll down to see router's IP address. Tap and hold that number, then hit copy. Next, open any web browser and paste the IP address into the search bar and hit go. This takes you directly to your router's control panel. Note, some routers have their own dedicated apps, but this browser method is the quickest way to do it without downloading anything new. You'll find the admin credentials to log in on your router. Once you're in, look for a section called Home Network Devices or Device List. Click More Info and expand the list. Now you can see every single device currently feeding off your Wi-Fi. Scroll through this list and check for anything you don't recognize. Found an intruder? Let's boot them. Navigate to your router's Wi-Fi or security settings to find the Change Password option. You will likely need to enter the physical access code printed on a sticker on the back of your actual router. Once you enter the code and change your Wi-Fi password, it instantly forces every connected device off your network. No more freeloaders. If this tutorial helped you out, please like and subscribe.